Hello everyone, this is NAZIA WAMIQ. This is my first tutorial in quarantine time. Maybe I'm doing a nude makeup for you guys, which you can do daily in your daily routine, or maybe in when you're going to a party like high teas and in day, you can say day makeup as well. So if you like it, let me know, and let me know if what you want me to do for you in my next tutorial. Thank you.
Thank you guys, you have seen my tutorial. If you like it, please do write and let me know that what you want to see in my next tutorial. This is my first live tutorial I have given to you this time, and now you know who is behind ANI Studio. This is NAZIA WAMIQ, and do call me and you can take your appointment on 0309-253-1160 any for makeup and for makeup classes and hair services. Thank you.